Good evening and welcome to Douglas Town Hall, the venue for Douglas Borough Council's Christmas Light Switch On 2017. We are going to be here and officially starting the Christmas season. Now, Matt Fletcher and Tony James are going to be your hosts for the evening. So, Tony and Matt, come on down. Tony's actually worked this out, by the way. He said, I want to walk down the stairs like a showgirl.
We are very excited. We are going to have a fantastic night this evening, aren't we?
Yeah, looking forward to this. This is my first Christmas light switch on, and already from what we've seen, it's going to be a great night.
Isn't that quite sad? So Matt has never done a Christmas light switch on, even at home.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a great start to the evening. Can we have a big hand once again for the Douglas Town Band, if you would, folks? Give them a big hand tonight. Thank you very much indeed. Hey, listen, we're live on 3FM's Facebook page at the minute, 3FM Isle of Man. Can we have a big wave over this side, everybody?
Hello, everybody. How are we all? I'm sorry that's not loud enough for Widow Twanky here. I want to hear the biggest cheer. How are we all? Yes, my name's Widow Twanky. Don't I look beautiful tonight?
It's a bit mixed, Widow Twanky.
I think you haven't got a chance, Tony. There's so many hunky men out there in the audience.
Would we like to hear Sam sing? Right, some black folks. Here we go. Who's out with other guys in the moral of the story from the guy who knows that I fell in love but my love still grows. Asking if food is she ever knew to say I keep away from her on around to a bit down.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who's out with other guys in the moral of the story from the guy who knows that I fell in love and my love still grows. Asking if foolish she ever knew to say I keep away from her on around to a baby that he ain't keep away from that girl.
I wish you a very, very, very much happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, everybody. Give yourselves a cheer. You were brilliant tonight. Thank you.